than this.
Good opportunity to get in on a brand new concept of cars. A car that nobody's manufactured before.
Nobody has ever attempted to make an acrylic reinforced fiberglass car.
It's like anything else that's new. It's going to be hard to build. They don't just fall together. None of these guys have ever worked in an assembly plant before. And everybody says he wears love beads and he wears blue jeans, you know. He's got a lot more on the ball than a lot of people give him credit for. He's a hell of a promoter.
Malcolm's the sort of guy you've got to run very fast to keep up with. He goes at about 1,000 miles an hour and he thinks at the same speed.